Alright guys, the fad diet we are going to look at here is called the Hollywood diet, and it's mostly this juice here, this Hollywood 48-hour miracle diet. If we can scroll down, it automatically starts off with heavy scientific studies. So this juice is right here. Juice blended with essential vitamins and minerals, as well as selected essential oils that help keep your body chemistry aligned while you fast from food for 2 days. Scientifically proven to shed up to 10 pounds in just 48 hours. We have also a couple testimonials here. This one here is, I love this product. I've used it before and it always works for me. I lost 12 pounds in 48 hours. Thank you, Stephanie, for your lies. Moving on, it is its own unique formulation. It contains special blend of 6 fruits. Alright, we have all its benefits here. There's a 24-hour too. Visible results fast, increased energy and vitality. It's easy to use. You just simply open it and mix with water and go ahead and drink. It's affordable. It's a miracle juice. They also have a couple other products, cookies. So that is the Hollywood diet. You can lose up to 10 pounds in 48 hours.